Do I really need to read the articles you send me, watch the videos you send me, any content that you send me in my emails? Welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question that we got asked is, do I really need to read the articles you send me, watch the videos you send me, any content that you send me in my emails?
Yeah, so it's really important that you do. The reason for that is because there's a lot of good information in there. Foundation repair already is a very niche field within construction as a whole. It's different from the road work that you see every day in traffic on your way to work. This is something where we actually lift homes. We don't need to, in most cases, remove and replace the entire foundation and demolish your home. In a lot of cases, you can actually live in your home while we're doing the work. So information like that, there is a wealth of knowledge in these articles, and we have a marketing team that spends a great deal of effort writing them. So anything we can do to inform you on the front end of, the whole process of this project, the better, because it can help save time during the inspection, and it's just great education for our clients. That way, if they decide to get a second opinion or go with a different company, they at least have that knowledge in the back of their mind and that reassurance and that confidence leading them forward through their deal stage.
Great answer, Alex. And yeah, like Alex was saying, a lot of the stuff that we send you is pertinent to what conversations we've had with you leading up to it. So that way it's not just some random stuff we're sending you. It actually is pertaining to what conversations you guys have talked about and things like that. That's why it's so important to actually read them, watch the videos, different things like that, because the more educated you are, the better off you're going to be in making a great decision for you and your family on how to actually fix your house or what to actually look for when we come out and do the inspection to answer any of those questions as well. All right. Thank you, Alex.
Yeah.
And thank you for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.